Welcome to Beautyistic, where we take a deep dive into the beauty world, uncovering the truth behind the products you're curious about. Today, we're talking about a luxurious lipstick that promises not only a gorgeous color, but also a hydrating, long-lasting experience. It's Guerlain's Kiss Kiss Shine Bloom lipstick in the shade 119, Floral Nude. With so many options out there, the question is, does this high-end formula really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Guerlain's Kiss Kiss Shine Bloom lipstick comes in a sleek 0.11 ounce tube, offering a glossy finish that's supposed to keep your lips hydrated, smooth, and soft. The main appeal here is the unique combination of color and skincare benefits. With a formula designed to be moisturizing, it promises to give you long-lasting color and shine without the typical dry feeling that many lipsticks leave behind. Now let's talk about what really matters: the application and wear. The texture of the lipstick is smooth and creamy, gliding effortlessly onto the lips. You'll immediately notice that it delivers a nice, hydrated feel without being too thick or sticky. The Floral Nude shade is a soft, neutral pink with warm undertones, making it a versatile, everyday color. It's the kind of shade that can go from work to a dinner date seamlessly. In real-world testing, I found that this lipstick holds up well throughout the day. It's not completely transfer-proof, but it does a decent job of staying on for a few hours, even with light eating or drinking. The glossiness diminishes over time, but the color does linger, which is a plus. It's also important to mention that the formula feels lightweight, not heavy or tacky, which adds to its comfortable wear. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the hydration this lipstick provides is one of its standout features. I've used lipsticks before that leave my lips feeling drier by the end of the day, but this one doesn't do that. It keeps lips feeling moisturized and soft. The color payoff is also impressive for a glossy finish. It's not completely sheer, but provides enough pigment to make a noticeable impact. The sleek packaging is luxurious, which is typical for Guerlain, and it feels like a treat to apply. On the downside, the longevity could be better. It's not a long-wear lipstick, so you'll need to touch up after meals or a few hours of wear. For some, the price point might also be a consideration. Guerlain is a high-end brand, and while the quality is there, not everyone may feel the product justifies the cost for the amount of wear you get out of it. When it comes to value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. You're paying for the brand name, and you're definitely getting a high-quality product. But whether that price is justified depends on what you're looking for in a lipstick. If you're someone who loves luxury beauty products and you don't mind reapplying throughout the day, this could be worth the splurge. If you're more budget conscious and prefer a longer-lasting formula, there are alternatives out there that may fit the bill better. For those of you who might be looking for alternatives, there are some great drugstore options that offer similar glossy finishes with added moisture. Products from brands like Maybelline and L'Oreal can provide similar hydration and color without the hefty price tag. But if you're after the luxe experience that comes with Guerlain, this will definitely deliver. In terms of build quality, the packaging is beautiful. Guerlain doesn't skimp on presentation. The lipstick tube feels sturdy and elegant, and the magnetic closure gives it that extra high-end touch. It's a product you'll feel proud to carry in your bag. So, does the Guerlain Kiss Kiss Shine Bloom lipstick live up to its claims? Yes, in terms of hydration and providing a smooth, comfortable wear. However, the longevity of the color leaves a little to be desired for those looking for all-day wear. If you're someone who prioritizes luxury, hydration, and a soft finish, this is a great pick. But if you're after something with more staying power or better value for money, there are other options worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this lipstick or any other Guerlain products, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.